they are used to using Databricks or Tableau or whatever. They have the reports that probably don't use it much or whatever. They feel, yeah, that's fine. But they don't know the insights they're not getting, right?
Right.
How do we, I'm just thinking aloud, like how do we bring this awareness? Is there like a free demo 𝗨𝗹 gives to customers where they can say, oh, wow, I didn't know this, right? These are insights. Or what's the best way for them to engage with you or your team to figure out like, yeah, we want to see, right, on a pilot basis, what insights is 𝗨𝗹 giving, which they didn't even know about, right? So do you offer an POC or?
Yes. So we kind of handled our customer basically. So we come from consulting background. I ran consulting organization for 17 years. That has done a massive amount of modernization data analytics work, large customers.
And you does like
So we understand that what it takes to make a customer successful. And in our product work, we also take that same philosophy. So before I say that what my platform does, I ask my customer, what are the 3 problems you are trying to solve? Tell me, right? I take that and then I say, how are you doing it today? And when you feel like we could do that will make your life better. So that's our discovery first, step 1. We take always a top-down approach from business perspective.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, my job is to make a check mark that I have satisfied these 3 business goals. And this is what my ROI definition for that. So we start with that. We come back, we do our homework, and then we create a small demonstration of the customer that tailored to their
To their needs. Wow,
Okay.
that's awesome.
and we present it. If customer sees that, yes, it's bringing me value, probably, then they get us engaged. And we do a proof of concept for them with their critical use cases. And at the same time, our model has a very low barrier entry point. So it's a risk-free, non-intrusive, because you are not writing any code, you are not doing massive data integration. You are not really stepping into something that you just connect your data and you start working on it, right? So that's why for you, there is not much risk. For customer, there is not much risk. So they can easily go and try it.
Yes.
If you like it, use it. And I believe what they see most cases that, wow, I just connected to this data source and it's being able to give me this answer. This data cleansing used to take me, 2 weeks, and I'm doing it in 2 hours now,
Wow.
right? And this data transformation, this dashboard, I used to build just the charts and graphs, which used to take me weeks. Now I can do it minute. My business user can get exactly what is the state of data right
At
now
that bit of time.
at that point in time, right?
That's incredible.
So, yeah.
I think in my mind, if I were to chime in for customers, I would think just the fact that you can get even one insight that you don't have today using 𝗨𝗹, right? That one insight that can save you a couple of $1 million, right? Or can open insights about things you didn't know about that are blindsided. I think that itself makes it worth using this, even if it's not a replacement for bigger solutions like Databricks and Tableau and others. I mean, this could be, in parallel to that, but just getting additional insights over time. Other thing can be phased out, but I just feel like data is a gold mine. And if you're not using that and extracting stuff, you're just sitting on a bunch of unrealized data, right?
So one thing I want to clarify that we are not asking our customer to replace their existing investments. If they have invested in Databricks, Snowflake, any of those major platforms, what we help them is we help them to get better ROI on those investments. So we make their solution much better, more usable with the data that is sitting in those platforms. So we complement those, and we don't compete with those. So the customer doesn't need to think about, wow, I just wrote $1 million check just the other day to buy those licenses. Am I going to throw? No, we don't store any data. We are a hub. We sit and we get connected to all your data sources.
That's it.
We are the middleman. We process your data and give it to you. We create the data product. All we do is store the metadata. We don't store your data at all. So that's why all your data storage and stuff, this stays the way they are today.